We often get a question: how many cores are there on your computer, or how many logical processors are there on your computer? Before going into that, if you don't know what is a core, what is a logical processor, please do watch our video provided in the description. Now, how to find out the logical processors on your computer? Hi, hello guys, welcome to our channel. On your desktop, go to search, type task manager. So you will get a task manager here, so click on that. So if you are getting a smaller task manager window, so click on this more details. Now you'll get a bigger task manager window. Maximize it, go to the performance tab. In the CPU section, or in the CPU tab, here you can find the number of cores and the number of logical processors. So on my computer I have 2 cores and 4 logical processors. Apart from that, the other method is press Windows R. So you'll get a run command. Just type task mgr, click on OK. So task manager will be open. Go to the performance tab, and in the CPU tab you will find out the number of cores and the logical processors. This is how to find out the number of cores and logical processors on a computer. For more technical updates and other stuff, please do share, comment and subscribe to our channel.